My dear fellow collectors, just a quick update. I forgot something in my last video to tell you about our new clothes for Dawn, the Circle Skirt 2.0. And that is a little bit how I included the curtain weight into my skirt. That here is my curtain weight. I ordered curtain weight so that you had for 1 meter of curtain weight 50 grams of weight. That's what she has in here. That's what she has in here in our circle skirt to make it fit a bit more natural, like on the one without the weight. So, and how did I do the seam here? I can explain you on my sewing machine very quickly. What I basically wanted to explain is that I used the blue ribbon as a marking for my hose, for my curtain weight hose, so that I was able to find on the other side where to end my hose. So, which of my sewing foots do I use for this project? You can see I have here a little foot for hidden zippers, and that's the one I used. It is better to use this foot than this one because you can see in the back the black thing here. That's the IDT system, and you can't use it with every foot. So for the other one I was not able to use it because it has no hook in the back so that you can hook the IDT foot on. This one has the hook I need, so I can clip it on, and I have transportation from here, and the foot itself also gives me transportation. So I have 2 transportation systems, but I did not use this foot for my skirt. I only used it for the plain seams, here. And for the hose itself I used this foot here because you have the advantage. Let me show you this. So I changed the feet rapidly, and as you can see I have it on the left side, so I could also do it on the right side. You can use it in whatever position you need, and this foot has the advantage that you can use it also as a distance measurer, because you always have the same distance here and here, and so it was no problem to use it for my skirt hose here. And I'm also able to lift my sewing machine foot higher up than usual, because this machine is able to do so, and it was also a very big advantage for this project, and I had no problem to put it under my sewing. I realized that I have forgotten to mention this whole topic in my last video, and I wanted to tell you how I did this. Also, I didn't film it immediately, so I hope you understand what I've done in my last video. This, by the way, is the curtain weight itself. That's what it's looking like, just little weights in a row. So I hope you like my little video, and please stay tuned in for my next videos in the next weeks. Don't forget to subscribe and have a wonderful day. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany.